Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Sofi's mobile deposit feature. Let's get straight into it. The first thing are the requirements, and the first requirement is you got to ensure that you have a Sofi account and are logged in, and then you want to verify your identity and bank account information. Also, you could download Sofi's mobile app if you want to use that, and then just you got to ensure that your mobile device has a camera, a good camera. So let's get straight into how to do that. So when it comes to depositing a check through the mobile deposit, what you want to do is to log into Sofi's mobile app, and then you want to tap on add funds or deposits, and then you want to select mobile deposit as the funding method, and then just choose the accounts that you want to deposit the funds into, and then enter the check amount, and select the check type. So that could be a personal or business. And then what you want to do is to take a photo of the front and the back of the check using your mobile device camera, and then just review and confirm the deposit details. Now there are a couple of guidelines for mobile deposit. The first is to check requirements. You got to ensure that the check is made payable to you. Second is to be signed by the issuer, and of course the date got to be within the last 6 months, and that check must have not been previously deposited. The second requirement is the image quality. So you got to make sure that your check's image is clear and legible, and that you use it's well lit and in focus, and of course it's free of glare or shadows and the likes. The third, of course, is the deposit limit. So you got to review Sofi's mobile deposit limits to ensure that you are within the allowed amount. Now, when it comes to funding timelines, the availability, so deposits are typically available within 1 to 2 business days, and of course when it comes to processing, deposits are processed between Monday to Friday, excluding federal holidays and such. Now I got a couple of tips and reminders for you. The first is to verify check details. So you want to double check the check amounts, dates, and the issuer to avoid error. And of course you want to make sure that you use good lighting when you are taking a picture. So you want to ensure that the check image are well lit and in focus. So of course you have to keep the check. You have to retain the physical check for 30 days in case of any issues. So after you're done taking the picture and going through the process, don't throw away the check. Make sure you keep that in case any issues come up, and you can probably do that again. Now the fourth tip is of course to contact Sofi support. You got to reach out to Sofi support team if you have any questions or issues on mobile deposits. So they're gonna help you out with that. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because that helps us out so very much. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.